To Plant a Garden TV. Alright, today is the 24th of October 2023 and the full moon is on its way. So because the full moon is on its way, I want to do some harvesting, because when you allow the full moon to pass, the full moon drains, so it's not going to be poking. The ginger is going to be weak because the full moon takes a lot, it carried up to the ripe stage. Then you have to allow it after the full moon before you harvest it, or you're not gonna get the poking. So I'm trying to do a small harvest before the full moon. All right, okay, I'm trying to do a harvest before the full moon that I can get the poking taste of the ginger instead of the weak taste. You want the ginger to be strong. So if you want the ginger to be strong, it's wise to harvest before a full moon. All right, even though I see new leaf is coming, that's all right. I only just want a few of them because I just want to harvest them to get that strength from the ginger, to get the strength, you know what I'm saying? To get the strength. Oh, this is a pretty nice root of ginger right here, I'll tell you that. Look at this. This is a nice size ginger right here. Oh yes. Yes guys, so harvesting, anything you harvest, you try to have them. This is some nice size ginger here. You see it come from, all these come from this piece. So I'm gonna just bury them back. Okay. Yeah. These are ginger I start indoors and I bring them out all in the year, and they struggle, they really struggle. They struggle pretty much. But have a nice little harvest right here so far. All right, let me see this one. This one look like a nice root right here. This one looks like a nice root. So let me go up here and see if I get a few up here. Okay. So now let's take out this ginger man. This looks like a pretty nice root of ginger here too. Okay. Oh wow, okay. A nice harvest of ginger right there, man. And the reason why I'm harvesting them is because the full moon is right here, and I want the ginger to be very strong and poking. All right. Okay. This one, the leaf already starts turning yellow, so I'm gonna take up this root as well. I'm not gonna harvest all of them, but I'm surely gonna harvest majority of them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them to dry. Oh yes. Put them to dry. So guys, what I'm saying is, ginger is a very strong poking. We all know how ginger is. But the thing is, when you harvest ginger on a full moon, right close up to the full moon, it don't get that strong. You know what we need out the ginger, we don't get that. So what we do, we try harvest before the full moon, so we're able to get that strength that we need from the ginger. Okay, this one, the leaf is kind of yellowish, so I'm going to take this out too. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna harvest anymore. I think I harvest enough. Basically what I harvest down they're gonna just be for me to dry at this moment. This is a big root here. Oh, look at this root here. Oh wow. This is one root right here, guys. Damn. This is one root right here. Wow. This is a nice ginger harvest, guys. Woo. Okay, let me see. Let me see. This looks like a nice root. Look at this one. Let me check up this one. One look like a nice root too. Ooh. Oh yes. Okay. Oh yes. This is some serious harvesting, guys. That's why I love gardening so. After I put in all the hard work, when harvest time, I'm just harvesting and getting a nice time. What kind of plant is this? It is, okay. This one, I really don't want to harvest everything, guys. I want to leave a few roots that when we come back after, we see this one. Okay. All right. Man, like I need to harvest everything, man. I think I need to harvest everything. Because it ain't going to be much time after this that I have to harvest. I mean, it ain't much time. After the noon, then we got to be ready for the frost. So it's like, it's better just do your harvest now and just get it out the way. Ah, yes, guys, yes. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. Yes. Yes, guys. Yes. Nice. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, look there again, guys. Ooh, this is a nice root here too. Yeah, man, it's better me just harvest them. Because if I leave them, it ain't gonna be long. You know, it's gonna be very soon. So since I have the time, I'm gonna harvest them, put them to dry. Ooh. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. And believe it or not, this is just a fraction of the ginger that I have, that I plant. Let's go for this one too. Ooh, nice size ginger. Wow. Yes. And the scent of them is strong. That's what I'm saying, man. You want to harvest before the full moon. You don't want that full moon catch them. Because they're not going to be strong the way you want them to be strong. Ooh, yes. Okay. I might leave a few to go through the full moon and come back. Then harvest them before the next full moon. That's what I might do. Try an experiment and see how it's gonna work. All right, so let me see here. This looks like we have some nice size here too. Look down inside here. Oh yes. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So every root I have is produce something. Every root, and that's what's good. All not gonna be big the same, but the beauty of the whole thing, every root you harvest, you get some nice ginger. Look at this. Look at this. If we didn't have to go through the frost, then you could have leave this ginger. This ginger would have produced a big root of ginger, but once you got to deal with the frost, man, it's just different. Look at this again. Look at this again. Everything. Oh man, this is a serious harvest, guys. Look at this. Ooh. Every root, every root, every root have something. Oh man, look at it here. And the scent of them is amazing, I'm telling you. The scent is amazing. Every root, guys, look at this. Every root we take up have something. This is wow. So now I have fresh ginger to last me all through the winter. All through. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Every root they have something. Every root in it. Okay. All right. Let me see. Okay. Nice root there. Okay. All like this. If it wasn't for the frost, we could have leave these to grow more, but this is just amazing. Let me get these two roots right here, and that's it. All right. Yeah. I don't know if you guys see in the soil, man. The soil is on another level, guys. Okay. All right. This is a pretty nice size right here. Okay, guys, so let's come over here. Let's come over right here, guys, and let's see what type of harvest we have. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put them to dry, wash them and put them to dry. Yeah, this is a real, yo, look at this harvest, guys. Check this out. Check this harvest out, guys. Ooh. This is a lot of ginger right here, guys. That's why I encourage everyone to grow something. This is such a beautiful feeling to able to see something like this. Put in your hard work all in the spring, then in the fall your harvest become abundant. Okay, so you guys see me harvest every root, and this is my harvest right here. Massive garlic harvest, massive. And we have a lot more, but we're gonna just leave them and let it go through the full moon, and when they come back we just harvest them before the frost. So guys, yeah, look at this, guys, look at this. Thank you guys. I hope this video motivate you guys. I hope I'm gonna see more people getting into the garden and start growing something. Don't forget, guys, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you all. Peace.